For this project, I used a cracked glass votive, a decorative knob, and a candle holder, all purchased at Dollar Tree. I removed the screw from the knob. I attached bottle caps to the bottom of my votives using a strong adhesive. I attached my knobs to my bottle caps using a strong adhesive. I attached 2 more bottle caps to the bottoms of my knobs. I used a strong adhesive to attach my candle holders to the bottoms of my caps. I went around the outside of the cap because that's where the candle holder will rest. I applied gems that I purchased from Dollar Tree to my candle holders. I tend to use hot glue with a little bit of another adhesive, as some adhesives may dull the shine of some gems. I applied vase filler gems that I purchased at Dollar Tree to my bottle caps. And this is what it looked like. I added gems to the tops of my votives and around my candle holders. And these are my final pieces. Thank you to my subscribers and everyone who has liked or commented on my videos. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next DIY.